So we're on the job site today learning about the Ecosteel and Firelite system by Isokern. Brown and his team are inside installing one right now. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, Brown, we're here in Louisville, Tennessee. Tell us a little bit about this project.
Yeah, we've got a custom contractor that we deal with quite regularly that is building a nice custom home for some folks, and we're right here on a lot of property and just a real nice setting.
Cool, so for this project, they chose Isokern Fireplaces for their fireplace system. Tell us a little bit about that.
This system is just a great system that gives you really a whole lot like a true masonry fireplace. Good solid, very well insulated, and again with this Firelite system we can use metal flue and sit on a combustible floor.
No, it's a great option compared to the alternative. So your team's here today. They've already finished up the first floor. Let's go upstairs and check out where they're working.
Sounds great.
So Brown, we're up here on the second floor. The guys are starting to finish that chimney system and go up through the roof, it looks like.
Right.
So they're using the Ecosteel Chimney system. That pipe really snaps together quite nicely. How do you guys like working with it?
It's just very smooth, easy installation when you got someone talented that knows what they're doing.
Yeah, definitely. So when we're going up here, what do we have? How's this going to exit the home? Do we have a chase up there?
Yes. We'll wait till they've completed the chase and then run the flue on up and apply the termination cap at that time.
While Brown's crew finished installing the Ecosteel chimney, we caught up with Ross Cates from EarthCore to fill us in on a few important details on the Isokern Firelite application. In this application, we're installing a Isokern fireplace over a combustible floor. What do we need to do differently in this application?
So starting from the floor up, we use a ceramic fire blanket that's over the wooden subfloor, and then a 4-inch tall metal stand. This metal stand is pre-engineered for the size and style of the Isokern fireplace. So in this case, this is a 48-inch Magnum, and there's a specific stand for the 48-inch Magnum.
So with the Firelite stand, to kind of bridge the gap between that wood frame floor and whatever the non-combustible hearth is, you need to use this spark strip, correct?
That's correct. So the spark strip is there to ensure that if an ember ever got between the Isokern fireplace and the joint with the hearth extension, that it falls onto the metal safety strip and not onto the wooden subfloor.
So with that non-combustible floor there, that mortar joint might break out over time. If a spark happened to jump out, it would hit this metal strip and not that wood floor.
That's correct. It's just an extra safety measure because this is a wood burning application.
So with the firebox, with this chimney system installed, you've got a full system that's safe to put in any home.
Correct. It is a pre-engineered, tested and listed both chimney system and firebox. And we meet all of the necessary building codes to install fireplaces throughout North America.